my YouTube channel. How's your day? And for today, I'm gonna show you the fridge that we buy. And ano lang siya guys, kahapon lang siya dumating at I also filming, and then for today I'm gonna show you what is inside. Ta-dang! This one is so tall and it's it's a crystal glass. It's pretty nice. We just own. Then because yung binlog ko siya kahapon kasi may music siya, baka ma-copyright. I-off ko na lang yung music para hindi siya mag-copyright. Ganito kapag hindi ko makain. Hindi pa kasi ako kumakain, guys. Mababaliw ka. Mababaliw na ako. Nabubunol-bunol na yun. Nabubunol-bunol na ako, guys. Yan. Yan guys. Ang tagal ko hindi nagpakita sa camera. Kasi super busy namin sa papel na para stay dito sa Spain. At kakauwi lang namin. Galing kami ng City Hall at yun, hindi pa kami kumakain. Magluluto ako mamaya. Yan, gusto ko lang siyang ipakita yung fridge namin. Super ganda, and it's worth for how much, Danny, the fridge? 49,000 79,000 pesos the fridge that we bought. Yan. I'm gonna show you yan. Super high niya, guys, yan. Super nice niya. You can see the say hi, honey.
Hi. Hi, honey.
Yeah. Ganito talaga ako, guys. Yan. Yan ang fridge namin. Ayan. Yan siya. Yan. Yan. Okay. I'm gonna show you real, guys. No, wala na fun. Yan. Okay.
Balay. Aquí. Sí. Más o menos está bien, porque tiene ruedas, ¿no? Sí. Sí, así que daño. Esto es perfecto, sí. Es bastante sencillo, ¿no? Es bastante sencillo, sí.
Nosotros lo echamos más para allá.
Sí, un poco más en medio, pero no en la cocina, porque todavía no falta mucho ya.
Ahí.
Sí, está perfecto. Bueno, si no tenemos así, lo cambias también, ¿no? ¿No crees? Normalmente de la fábrica es así.
Sí, en España sí. Si a lo mejor lo compras ahí en tu país, sí que te abren de este lado. Por allí sí los abren así.
Okay.
Y aquí en España siempre vienen con la, digamos que abren con la derecha. Pero si tú lo miras,
Claro. Bueno, me han dicho que debería ver que todo está bien. Por eso no te puedes entrar. Yo vale. Si no lo tenemos, la dejamos así, entonces
the brand is Balay. Yan siya. Super nice niya kasi crystal siya. Very thick niya, glass. As you can see, we need to be careful because it's quite expensive. Yan siya. Super nice niya, guys. And first time that we see this one is we falling in love. Ito siya, and this is the inside. Look, guys, all tool. Yeah. And we're gonna open. There, wow. Look, inside is very much space. Yeah, look. We like it so much, this one. Yan. And we have the super nice niya. Yan. And we have the freezer here. Yeah, it's so nice. Actually, you can have the fruits for 6 to 12 months now. Wow. Very nice. Now I have the reason to use the fridge, and so I could buy the ice cream that I want. Okay, yan siya, guys. Yan lang. Very tall niya. And we're gonna put here the fridge. As you can see, it's not finished yet our kitchen because it's just my boyfriend who made this one. Yeah. Pag nag-finish na to, guys, super nice ng kitchen namin. And super open siya. Look the view. And look how our house messy. Yan siya. This is the fridge. We're gonna put our fridge here. And then this is our sink. Yeah, I'm so excited, and we have so many things that we're gonna show you guys, and it's really, really nice. And that's for our vlog. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.